Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Tim Wire. Right now I have Toyota AQUA of 2017. This vehicle has a problem. Look at the dashboard. We have, let me zoom. We have steering, we have ABS, and we have handbrake, and we have off-road. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that. See, let me disengage the handbrake. We still have that light. Let me engage the handbrake. We still have that light. So I'm going to scan this vehicle using my thinker machine so that we identify the main fault code. So here under the ECM, let me read the fault code. No fault code. Then I'm going to the stability. So the system cannot communicate with ABS. The system is not communicating with the ABS. Let me try another thing, which is the steering, because we have the steering light on the dashboard. Let me electrical power motor steering. Exactly. Let me try to read that. Exactly. So under the steering, electrical steering, we have lost communication with the brake system control module. So the problem is there's no communication brake system control module. So in summary, this vehicle has a problem with the communication. The brake system is not communicating with the other system. So wasting time, I have removed the, let me show you, the wiper, the grill, and this one to access the unlock brake system. This is the unlock brake system. So here I'm going to test if we have the power ignition and we have constant. Move the socket. So this is the main socket. So here we need to make sure the ignition is on. The tester is on earth. We have two constant. This is the first one, then this is the second one. So we have constant. Put tester on positive terminal or power, like that. Then earth. This is the first earth, the second earth. So we have constant earth, constant. So you need to put your tester on earth. So here we don't have an ignition, so the problem is power. We have the first fuse box is the first fuse is ABS 2, which is 10 ohm. Then we have the second ABS number 1, which is 20 ohm. Let's confirm here. The first row, this is the first row. 1 2, yes, this one. And then the second row. So the first row 1 2, see, is 7.5. Then we have 10 ohm. So we need 10 ohm here, then we need 30 ohm. So the problem is the fuses. The fuses, let me test the fuse. Nothing. Already the fuse is blown. So we need 10 ohm here fuse, then we have 30 ohm fuse. Let me confirm this one. Yes, even the fuse is not strong enough. See, this is a joke. So here the problem is fuses. This is a joke, bro. So here is a 10 ohm fuse, like that. Then here is a 20 ohm fuse, like that. 20 ohm, 10 ohm. See, so we are going back to the ABS socket. So let's test we are going back to the ABS socket. Let's test for ignition. Correct. That is the problem. This is the problem now. Right now it's okay, see. So make sure the ignition is off. Put ignition off like that. Back. I think the socket is intact. Let me go and clear that fault code. So I'm going to put ignition on. Right now ignition is on. Then the second step is to clear that fault code from the system. Lost communication. Good. Then let me try to read the ABS with the anti-lock brake system here. Correct. We don't have any fault code. So the problem was using the wrong fuses. So I think right now everything is okay. Let me try to start the vehicle. See? Perfect. So everything is working perfect. See? So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.